Hey guys, welcome to the shop this morning. I'm out here trying to get a few things prepared for a project I have today. I've got to go over to a customer's home. We've got to cut and custom fit a piece of slab wood that they've purchased. They need to fit it in around some windows, and well, I've just got to make a few cuts to make that happen for them. Gonna just do it right on site, like I said, right at their place. So I've got a few tools I'm getting ready to pack up. I've got a couple new blades I got to put on my saws. I like to have new blades, especially when I go to somebody's home, so that you know, we're not burning the wood and we're making real nice cuts and all that kind of stuff. Gonna be packing up my big square. I got to put a new Diablo blade on my saw here. Sorry, it's early, I'll tell you. Got to put a new blade on my circular saw, and I'm going to be bringing my Rigid Max multi-tool to make these cuts today. I got to pack up the basic stuff, a couple pencils, square, level, tape measure, those things as well. Yeah, so those are just a few things I'm going to be packing up, bringing with me. I've got to stop and pick up a new chalk line. I don't know what the heck happened to mine. I think it got tossed. But I want a chalk line. It's pretty long piece of wood that we've got to cut right down the middle. I want to make sure I got a nice straight cut for that. And yeah, that'll be just about it for tools. Next thing will be we'll jump in the truck and head on over to start the project.
Quick trip to Ace, picking up some stain and stuff to make another color sample for the customer with the maple. Trying to get it to match existing countertop. So we're all good here. Jump in the truck and head back to the shop.
Hey guys, so these photos are really just going to wrap up this part of the build. Going to get into a few photos of showing the stain from the first coat to the third, and also 3 layers of wipe-on poly. The photos will start to look real glossy, but that's just because the poly was wet. When it dries, it'll have a nice satin finish, real natural look. If you've been watching this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Also, there's going to be a part 2 of delivering and installing these. So hit subscribe and you'll be alerted when that video is up and ready to check out. Listen, thank you guys as always, and I'll see you next time.